Shatal's cursed pride is now homeless and wanders a harsh and barren wasteland. You are still alive. Trust your instincts. Shatal has no idea where she is going, nor when her next meal will come. Everything is so unfamiliar. Frightening. Hostile. They've escaped one death trap, and now head into another. It's the exiled nomads. Bruised and belligerent. It's the most dangerous situation for any lioness. If you surrender, you may just stay alive. You have nothing left to lose. It is now your turn. Shatal will make kings of these nomads. They will enable her to grow her pride again and protect them all. The Royal Alliance to secure the pride of the North's future.
Animal World CC page to get regular updates. And don't forget to like, comment, share. Thank you all.